Hey you guys, in this video I will be showing you how I create my mockups in Canva. So first thing you need to do is determine what size you want your template or mock-up to be. I do use the Instagram template. I don't know why, I just use it, y'all. Then I insert an arch. I'm showing you all the arches they have available as well. You see how my arch is white and my background is white, so you can't see the arch. To fix that, you'll go to edit, hit effects, and then select shadows, and it'll give it like a lifted or glow. You're gonna choose glow, but it gives it like a lifted look so you're able to see it. And one thing to note is that for like the colors, you won't be able to change the color once you give it that effect. So it's best to decide what color you want for your arch and then do the glow effect. And yes, I am still sick, you guys. I still sound a mess. Please forgive me. I'm congested. So after you have your arches, then you will start adding your balloons. And I do my balloons two different ways, depending upon what I need. So the Tough Text way is the first way. You will simply go to the Tough Text website and then select what color balloon you need, save it, and then go back into Canva, upload it, and then do the background remover. And this is just me showing you guys the different clusters and what they look like. Okay, so the next option would be using the Canva elements, and I just type in a ball or sphere and then these populate, but you gotta size these differently to get the balloon effect, if that makes sense. These elements are by different creators, so I did show you guys the info for each one as well. And so for this balloon, Garland, I actually did use Tough Text balloons, but for the metallic ones, I found those on Amazon. And so I don't have clusters of pictures for those. And so this is me trying to figure out how I'm going to do it. I ultimately just used Magic Grab and was able to create it that way.